like to celebrate National Social Science Day. My friends are going to celebrate National Social Science Day. Speak about Sarah Chora's father. Thank you. Good afternoon. I am excited to share about the great King Karigala Cholan with you. His flag was a tiger. The great King Karigala Cholan's real name was Aditya. He is the elder brother of Rajaraja Chola I and Kundavai. Karigala Cholan built by Kallanai is an ancient dam. It is built across the river Kaveri flowing from Tiruchirappalli district to Tanjavur district. It still saves the people of Tamil Nadu. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Krishika. I am studying in 4th standard. Today I will speak about Pandya flag. The most famous king of Pandya, விளையாடங்களுக்கு செல்வென்ற பாண்டியனர்களுக்கு ஆசிரிய பரிகாரம். Madurai is the most popular city of Sangam period. Pandya's country was famous for pearls. Muthamal Sangam held in Madurai. Thank you. I am Bhavishkaran, studying 4th standard. Today I speak about the great king of Chera. Umayavarangan lived there Northern and Eastern Childhood were the greatest king among the Cheras. Chera's flag bow and arrows. The able ruler took Chera's erected the statue of Kannagi. The temple of Kannagi was built by a stone brought from the Himalayas after defeating king of Kanaka Vijaya. Thank you.